Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a new and exciting way to make money online. Yes, you heard it right, you can now earn money just by watching YouTube videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn $15.32 per video you watch. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. So here's how it works. There's a new website called Video Cash that pays you to watch YouTube videos. All you have to do is sign up for an account and start watching videos. For each video you watch, you'll earn $15.32. And the good news is, there's no limit to how many videos you can watch in a day. The more videos you watch, the more money you'll earn. Let me show you how to sign up for Video Cash. First, go to their website and create an account. It's free to sign up, and it only takes a few minutes. Once you've signed up, you'll be given access to a dashboard where you can start watching videos. Now, here are a few tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Firstly, make sure to watch the entire video from start to finish. If you skip ahead or close the video early, you won't get paid. Also, try to watch videos that are longer than 10 minutes. These videos typically pay more than shorter videos. Lastly, make sure to watch videos from different categories. This will give you a better chance of finding videos that pay well. So, how do you get paid? Video Cash pays its users through PayPal, so you'll need to have a PayPal account to receive your earnings. Once you've earned at least $50, you can request a payment. Video Cash pays out every week, so you won't have to wait long to receive your earnings. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this method helpful and easy to follow. With Video Cash, you can easily earn money by just watching YouTube videos. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start earning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.